What's good, guys? Got kind of a different video for you guys tonight. For some people, you might know I'm on a podcast. I co-host on a sports podcast, and sometimes they let me bring in cards to open. And this is a leftover tin from a live opening I did, and I just have a bunch of stuff in here that we didn't get to open, so I might as well. These are some of the cards that are open live on this green light pod. And then I believe, yeah, I got some unopened. No, those are open. Okay, some good cards. Gotta put these to this. Okay. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5, 6, 7 unopened packs. Oh, we got all these illusion packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this. Oh, okay. So we got some unopened cards that we can go through. And then we got some football cards. See what football cards we got. We got a nice Trevor Lawrence right there. These are all Panini Prism. Got a Justin Fields, Kyle Pitts, Rashad Bateman. Okay. Devontae Smith, Pat Freiermuth. Okay. Ham Rashad Jr. What's up, Ham? Elijah Mitchell. Ham again. What's up, Ham? Ooh. Rondale Moore. What's up, Rondale? Rashad Bateman again. All-American. Got that Rondale Moore. DeAndre Hopkins. Tyreek Hill. Phillip Rivers. What's up, Phillip? Clyde Edwards Helaire. Jarrett Stidham. What up, Jarrett? Saquon. What's up, Saquon? Saquon Big Die Barkley. Okay, we got Ronald Jones the second. Deshaun Watson. Haven't seen him play in a while. Darren Waller. James Robinson. You guys gotta let me know in the comments which cards of these are the best, worth keeping, and which ones I should sleeve up. Sam Darnold. Jalen Reagor. Aaron Rodgers. Look at that. Look at A-Rod. Unvaccinated ass. DK Metcalf. Shout out to DK Metcalf. Said he's training for the Olympics next time around. Chase Young. Big Chase. Part of the Commanders. Keenan Allen. Great wide receiver right there. Matthew Stafford. Champ. That's the champ right there. What's up, champ? All-American Mac Jones. What's up, Mac? Okay, got Chris Evans. Patrick Jones the second. Don't forget the second, alright? Rashad Bateman. Got a few Batemans in here. You know, Rashad Bateman. You got that Trey Lance. What's up, Trey? Zach Wilson. That BYU. Them Cougars. You got Micah Parsons. All-American. What's good? That's a nice card. You know. Defensive player. Was he the defensive player? Defensive rookie player of the year. Terrence Marshall Jr. LSU. Tyson Campbell. Dylan Moses. Ben Roethlisberger just retired. Happy retirement, Ben. Joshua Kelly. Got that Travis Kelce. These are some good cards, some good names. Justin Herbert. What's up, Justin? Jarvis Landry. Josh Allen. Another big hitter right there. Ooh, Derek Carr. D. Carr. Tyson Campbell. Daniel Jones. Julian Edelman. And Kyle Pitts to finish it off. So I have 10 illusion packs. It's the day after the All-Star game. So let's open these and see what kind of hits we might get. I don't know what we're particularly looking for, but ooh, look at that to start off. My man Kyrie Irvin. Okay. Josh Jackson. Oh, a Mystique Paul George. Ooh, Dame time. Damian Lillard. Okay, and then we have a Kenyon Martin Jr. Okay. And last but not least, we have a Tyrese Maxey. I'm thinking that the Paul George Mystique card is the hitter in this. So I like that. We're going to put that up there by himself. And let's just get into another pack real quick. I think we'll open 5 packs. And then we'll get into some Pokemon cards. Just mix it up. Just mix it up. Okay. Laurie Markkanen. Might have said that wrong. I'm sorry. Keldon Johnson. Ooh. Trey Jones. Ooh. Markelle Fultz. Patrick Williams. And Killian Hayes. No special cards in that. That's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes. 3 packs left. Let's see. Okay. We got Brandon Clark. John Collins. That's my cousin. What's up, John? Ooh, Kawhi. Ha, ha, ha. Oh, shout out to Joe Harris. Wahoo, wah. UVA. UVA. Great. Let's go. Jalen Smith. And last but not least, Precious. I don't want to mess up your last name, bro. But you already know. Okay, 2 packs left. Looking like that Paul George. It's been the best card so far. So let's see. Ooh, we got a D'Angelo Russell. Ricky Rubio. Ooh, and then what's this? Oh, okay. Living Legends card. Paul Pierce. That's lit. We got a Donovan Mitchell. A Thaddeus Young. And Facundo Campazzo. Okay, we got the Living Legends. Okay. Last pack Magic. Or maybe we'll open one. No, we got 5 over there. We leave those 5 for later. Okay. This will be the last pack Magic. Let's see what we can get. Last pack of the Illusions. We got Gordon Hayward. Miles Turner. Mikal Bridges. Robert Covington. Ooh, nice. A Jason Tatum. And last but not least, Anthony Edwards. Guys, let me know what you guys think about these cards. We got the Mystique Paul George and then the Living Legend Paul Pierce. Just the Pauls. We was hitting with the Pauls today. Leave a comment and a like. Let me know what's your favorite card. And let me know which cards I should maybe keep safe, or maybe these cards aren't worth anything, or they're not too special and I shouldn't be trying to keep them safe or not. But let me know, guys, in the comments. Still have some leftover packs from the live opening we did on the Greenlight Pod. So what I have left from Pokemon cards, I have 2 Battle Styles packs, the Vivid Voltage, the Darkness Ablaze, and 4 celebrations. So somebody has 2 battle styles. We're going to start with these first. See what kind of good packs, kind of hits we can get. But we are still with the celebrations looking for that Charizard. Haven't gotten it yet. Gotten a Blastoise. I think I gotten a Venusaur twice or 3 times now. But still has not gotten the Charizard. So let's see what we can do this time around. Okay. Okay, we have a Pignite, Carcole, Bruno, Faux Mantis, Spiro, Zubat, Cubone, Frillish. Ooh, got that Level Reverse Hollow, and a Marowak. Okay, nice hit on the Marowak, non-hollow, rare. But let's keep it going. Another Battle Styles. Let's see. Got 1 green code card. Let's see if we could change that up. Damn. Okay, let's get it open. Oh, another green code card. Yikes. Yikes! 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do 4 this time. Okay, Dottler, Carcole, XP Share. Ooh. Kelker. Bronzor. Spoink. Got the dual blade reverse hollow and a slow bro. The Galarian slow blow. Bro. Okay, here we go. Vivid Voltage. Still looking for that Chunkachu, that rainbow Chunkachu. That'd be a nice hit if we could get that. Ooh, a lot of green code cards. Not liking that. 1, 2, 3. Not liking that. Aromatic Energy. Heroes Matter. Bay. Galarian Meowth. Duskull. Voltorb. Drillbur. Clefairy. Telescopic Light Reverse Hollow, and a Vaporeon non-hollow rare. Gotta like it. Here we go. Let's see what we can do with this. Oh, a white code card. Here we go. Finally, let's see what we got, guys. Staravia, Zweilous, Pupitar, Deino, Skitty, Golett, Hip-Hop Anonymous, Larvesta, ooh, Pansage Reverse Hollow, and, oh my god, a Flygon. Let Flygons be Flygons. Few packs of the little leftover mystery box. So, celebration packs. We are still, or I am still personally looking for the Charizard. That is the chase card for me. Let's see what we got here. We have a Kyogre. Oh. A Diluga. Oh, ho, ho. Here we go. It's a nice hit right there. A Tapu Lele GX and a Flying Pikachu. Double hit. That is nice. Tapu Lele. What's up? This is number 60 out of 145. And let's see what else we have here. Come on. Ooh. We got that Ho-Oh. Kyogre. Oh, what's good? We got a Garchomp C level X card and a Loon. That Garchomp is nice. Got a little mess going on over here off camera. Gotta tend to really quickly. Gotta try to keep these extra cards somewhat together. There we go. Okay, we have 2 left. Let's see what we can do. Those are 2 good hits. Got a GX hit and an X hit. Let's see what we have here. We have a Zekrom. a Cosmoem, a Cosmog, and another Flying Pikachu. Another Flying Pikachu and some last pack magic. Charizard, are you in here? Let's see if you are. Let's see if you are. Okay. We have a Groudon. Oh, let's go! That is a nice hit. Let's go! Another Blastoise. And you see those swirls? That's a good swirl around them. Let's go! And we have one more card left. And what is it? Oh, that's Surfing Pikachu. I think I got 3 Surfing Pikachus out of these last 4 packs. But that is what is up right there. A Blastoise. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. It's the real deals.